guys and gals, welcome back to HappyCon Lego. This is your girl Cece, and if you want to see how I lit up the Iron Man helmet like you saw in the intro and also right here, then stay tuned.
So first of all, you're going to need a set of brick or Lego compatible lights. I used Light My Bricks, but you are welcome to use any supplier that you would like. Also from Light My Bricks, I got this small battery pack here, which is powered by two 2032 small round batteries. So this is starting to sound like a Light My Bricks sponsored video. It is not. These are just leftover lights from my avatar mock. But you're also going to need this extension port if you're using the same setup that I am, in order to connect your battery to your light.
Alright, so here's where you want to snake the part of the battery up through the back of the Iron Man helmet. And then you're going to open the top right here. You can use a brick separator or you can use your nails if you have them like I do. We're just going to pop the top off here. And on the inside is where you're going to connect the extension board like I showed you with the battery pack. So hopefully you can see which part I'm actually popping off here. But like I said, on the inside is where you're going to connect the ending part or the cord of the battery pack to the extension port. And you can plug that in however. But yeah, so that's the extension port right here. And the battery is connected to one. And then we have two lights, one for each eye, that's connected to the other side of the extension port. So whatever you're using, whether you're using the same setup that I'm using here or you're using a different brick lighting company, make sure you follow their instructions so that you can set it up in the way that it needs to be set up so that it all works perfectly and your Iron Man helmet looks awesome. So next, after you have your lights and everything all connected, you want to pop off the forehead here, or the 5 head as I call it, because this thing is huge. But you're gonna drape one of the lights each over those 2x2 clipped in hinge pieces that the forehead clips into, and that way it will secure, the forehead will secure the lights right over the eyes, and you won't be able to see them because of the 5 head covering it. So then you just want to test it out. Alright, so as you can see here, that one of the lights is positioned in a way that it's shining more light than the other light. So you just kind of want to play around with it. In retrospect, actually, it would be a lot easier to get the 1x4 strip lights that Light My Bricks has, and those would just stick underneath the underside of the brow forehead piece, making this a lot easier. But this is what I had left laying around and left over from the Ang Mosaic. And so if you have these as well, I think these are also maybe cheaper than the other strip lights. So just go ahead, give it a shot, and you just want to kind of finagle it, to be honest. They're wire, so once you bend it, they kind of stick that way. So just try to get all the kinks out and then have it draping so that it will orient the lights in a nice manner, shining directly over the eyes and giving an even glow. Also, it might have been a lot easier if I just had used a little bit of tape right there to secure one light while I held the other light so that I could put the forehead on. But once you play around with it for maybe about 5 minutes-ish, it turns out fine. And then you can also kind of use a rod piece once you put the forehead on to pull everything out, pull the lights out, excuse me, and make it better. Yeah. So you'll also kind of figure out whether or not the lights are in a good spot if you can put the forehead on. But in this one, it should clip on fine. And then you just test it. You test the lights, you see how well it glows, and if you like it. If you don't like it, then you can kind of reposition them and keep trying. There's not many pieces that you need to add on and modify this set and make it look great, but it is a little aggravating to get the lights to position in the correct manner. Now, I just felt like the lights hanging on top of the eyeballs underneath the brow made it a lot better versus when I tried another way, which was to have the eyes oriented on the sides. And you can try that as well. You can see if that looks best for you. And this orientation of the lights over the eyes behind the brows seemed the best thing for me, and I got some great feedback from Instagram, which if you're not following me, it's just CafeCon Lego over there. Alright, so we're back, and I just showed you how to easily light up your Iron Man helmet. Now, I put it up here like you saw in the video, and it looks pretty cool in the background of your videos. However, it looks even better with the lights off. So I'm going to turn off the lights and show you what it looks like. And we're back, so you probably can't really see me, but you can definitely see the light behind me as well as the Iron Man helmet now. So it's right off here to the side. I think it looks super cool, and it would definitely look cool in the background of any of your videos and lighting up your Lego space. So that's going to be it for me today, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also let me know down in the comments below if you are actually going to pursue this and light up your Iron Man helmet. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.